Hi! In front of me is Motorola One 5G Ace, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this device. First of all, you need to access Moto app. Now click on those three lines at the top left corner and then select Personalize. Finally, click on Styles, select Get Started and tap on Theme over here. Then select Perfect Font Style and when you're ready, select Next after every step. Finally, name your theme. I will go with Font 2 because I only changed font style. Click on Next one more time and select Apply. So now when I go back, as you can see, style of my font has changed. But you can always go to the same app in order to bring back your default style. In order to do that, click on Styles, select Moto theme, which is the first one, and tap on Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!